Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain the concept of Java introduction. This semester you people have the major paper Java, programming in Java. So just want to give you an introduction about what is Java and the history of Java. Okay. So what is Java? Java was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in the year 1991. Later acquired by Oracle Corporation. It is a simple programming language. Java makes writing, compiling and debugging programming very easy. It helps to create reusable code and modular programs. Java is a class-based, object-oriented programming language and is designed to have a few implementation dependencies as possible. A general-purpose programming language made for developers to write once and run anywhere that is compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java. Java applications are compiled to bytecode by JVM. So the history of Java is Java's history is very interesting. It's a programming language created in 1991 by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan and Patrick Norton. A team of Sun engineers known as Green Team initiated the Java language in 1991. Sun Microsystems released its first public implementation in 1996 as Java 1.0. It provides no-cast run time on popular platforms. Java 1.0 compiler was rewritten in Java by Arthur Van Hoff to strictly compile with 8-zip specification. With the arrival of Java 2, new versions had multiple configurations built for different types of platforms. In 1997, Sun Microsystems approached the ISO standard body and later formalized Java, but it soon withdrew from the process at one time. Sun made most of its Java implementation available without charge. Despite their proprietary software status, Sun generated revenue from Java through the selling of license for specialized products such as Java Enterprise Systems. After the name Oak, the team decided to give a new name to it and suggested words were Silk, Jolt, Revolutionary, DNA, Dynamic, etc. Once again, I repeat this. Originally, Java programming was originally named as Oak. Gosling liked the look of an oak tree that was outside his window at Sun Microsystems. After the name Oak, the team decided to give a new name to it and suggested words were Silk, Jolt, Revolutionary, DNA, Dynamic, etc. These all names were easy to spell and fun to say, but they all wanted the name to reflect the essence of technology. In accordance with James Gosling, Java, among the top names along with the Silk, and since Java was a unique name, so most of them preferred that name, Java. Some programming languages are procedure-oriented, some are object-oriented. Java is object-oriented programming language. It's used for two applications also, application programs and applets. Applications are standalone programs. Applets are a small program embedded in a web page. The Java is mainly used in embedded consumer electronic appliances like the cable TV switch boxes, and different manufacturers may choose different central processing unit. The cable TV switch boxes devices do not have a lot of power or memory. A two-step Java translation process have been developed. Programs written in Java were translated into an intermediate language known as bytecode. Then the bytecode would be translated into machine code. Okay. The programs written in Java were translated into an intermediate language known the bytecode. Then the bytecode would be translated into the machine language. In 1994, Java was used to develop a web browser named Hot Java. The browser able to download and run small Java program over the internet known as applet, capable to display animation and interact with the user. In 1995, Netscape incorporated Java technology into its Netscape browser. Then the other companies followed that. Java is a full-featured and general-purpose programming language that is capable of developing a robust mission-critical applications for desktop, servers, mobile devices, and all the consumer appliances also. The Java programming language is relatively high-level language, class-based and object-oriented. The capabilities of Java programming are Java running on desktop is called application, Java running on the internet is called applet, Java developed on the server side is called the servlet. Once again I repeat this, Java running on the desktop is called application, Java running on the internet is called applets, Java developed on the server side is called servlet. Java application program interface contains the predefined classes and interfaces for developing Java programs. In 1995, Java 1.0 was introduced with 211 classes and interfaces. In December 1998, Java 2 platform was announced, applies to current Java technology. This is the versions of the Java given in the table, and the number of classes and interfaces are present in the versions. There are three editions of Java API. Java 2 Standard Edition, J2SE. This is client-side standalone applications or applets. And then Java 2 Enterprise Edition, that is J2EE. This is server-side applications such as Java Servlets and Java Server Pages. And then Java 2 Micro Edition, J2ME. This is maximum used in mobile devices such as cell phones or PDAs. The main difference between the C and Java are given in this table. You people studied C++ in the last semester. C++ is also based on object-oriented programming language. Java also based on the object-oriented programming language. The differences are given here. C++ is platform dependent, but Java is platform independent. This is one of the main difference between the C++ and Java programming. C++ is a platform dependent, Java is platform independent. C++ supports goto statement, Java does not support goto statements. And in C++, you people already studied about multiple inheritance, but Java does not support multiple inheritance. And then C++ supports virtual keyword, Java does not support virtual. Like that friend keyword are not used in Java. Operator overloading, C++ have operator overloading options, but Java does not support operator overloading. Like that C++ supports destructor, Java doesn't support destructor. C++ supports pointer, Java doesn't support pointer. C++ uses compiler only, but here you have to remind this, Java uses both the compiler and the interpreter. C++ supports structured and unions. Java doesn't support both the structures and unions. C++ is mainly used for system programming. Java is mainly used for application programming. It is widely used in Windows, web-based, enterprise and mobile applications. Okay. So these are all the features of Java. Compared to C++, Java features are given in this picture. The first one is object-oriented. The second one is simple. The third one is secure. The fourth one is the platform independent. This is one of the most important feature of Java compared to C++ and C. And then the fifth one is the robust, portable, architecture neutral, dynamic, interpreted, high performance, multi-threading and distributed. So simple in the sense Java is simple because of the availability of the object-oriented features in it. And then secure. When an executable program is downloaded, the risk of viral infection is severe, which may infect the system with the virus. And then the portability in the sense, many types of computers with different OS are available. Almost all computers are connected to the internet nowadays. Therefore, the code must be sufficiently portable enough so that it can be dynamically downloaded to the various platforms. This is also called platform independent. Why Java is called as the platform independent? Or here in the picture you can see the Java program is sent to the compiler. The compiler convert the Java program into the bytecode. The bytecode bytecode is sent to JVM, Java virtual machine. The Java virtual machine converted the bytecode into the according to the OS. If the OS is Windows, it convert the bytecode into the OS oriented bytecode. OS oriented binary codes, like that for Linux, for the Mac OS. So this is the feature of Java, that is machine independent, that was achieved by using the Java virtual machine. The Java virtual machine converts the bytecode into the different OS according to the OS used in that machine. So this is the use of Java virtual machine. Java source file is sent to the compiler. The compiler converts it to the class file. That means the bytecode. The bytecode is sent to the Java virtual machine, that is the interpreter. In this difference between the C++ and Java, I told that Java programs are both compiled and interpreted. So here this is the, in the 9th point you can see C++ uses compiler only, but Java uses compiler and interpreter. I can show you this. This is the compilation, this is the interpreter. So the both processes are happening in the Java program, in the Java. So the source file is into the Java compiler, and then the compiler converts the source program into the Java class file, that means the bytecode. The bytecode is sent to the Java virtual machine, that is the interpreter works here, and then it was distributed to different OS by the JVM. So Java virtual machine is the virtual machine that executes Java bytecode. JVM converts Java bytecode into machine language and executes it. So for example, you can see here the JVM, it converts the bytecode into the machine code according to the OS that machine used. JVM is platform dependent. JVMs are available for many hardware and software platforms. The JVM gives Java the flexibility of platform independence. This is also the pictorial representation how JVM works. The Java program is compiled by the compiler. This is the bytecode given in the box, and then the bytecode was inserted into the Java virtual machine. The Java virtual machine converts this bytecode into the machine code according to this system. So bytecode, also known as P code, that is the portable code, is a form of instruction set designed for efficient execution by a software interpreter. A method's bytecode stream is a sequence of instructions for Java virtual machine. Each instruction consists of one byte of code followed by 0 or more operands. The opcode indicates the action to take. If more information is required before the JVM can take the action, the information is encoded into one or more operands that immediately follow the opcode. Thank you guys. I will upload another video in my next class. Okay. Thank you.